Good morning everybody, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another vlog, day number 4, the Blackpool vlog. I say this in every Blackpool vlog, but I honestly can't believe I'm going home tomorrow. Like, that is crazy that we are going home tomorrow evening. It's currently nearly 9:10, literally just come up from breakfast and managed to actually eat my breakfast today. Well done me. And my mum's not doing good. She basically, I think I told you in a vlog, I think it was possibly either Monday or Tuesday, that Richard was ill with the cold. He's doing fine, he's doing better, but he's passed it on to my mum, so she's not doing too good, and her stomach is playing up with her sickness, so she hasn't had no breakfast. I think she said she was going to have some biscuits in her room, but she's having a little rest on the bed. I am going to upload yesterday's vlog, get that uploaded. Need to open these curtains, and then I'm going to probably watch something on YouTube or Netflix before my mum comes in. She says she's going to come in at like 10 o'clock, so I've got like 50 minutes to watch something, so I'm going to do that, edit my TikTok from yesterday, and just get ready basically. So I will see you when we are outside. Like I said, I think in yesterday's vlog, we're going to Fleetwood today. We're kind of going to do it the opposite way around, so we're going to get off at the end of where it terminates, and go like to like the ferry cafe, we're going to go there for dinner. We've never been, we only go like for like a snack and stuff, but we was like, I'm going to try it out, something different. It's kind of like I think it's like a fish and chip type place, but obviously it sells other things too. And then there's like, I think, because I don't know if I told you guys that Harbour Lights Amusements, they actually had to sell it because basically there just wasn't getting enough people coming to the arcade, as well as the cost of keeping up with the arcade. The fact that obviously the prices have gone up because of the cost of living, so unfortunately they did have to sell. But there is a new arcade in that place, and it was there in the summer when we went, but because of my mum's massive ordeal with the mobility scooter not working in the summer, we kind of literally just went past it, and we kind of just like that. So I can't remember what's in it, and I don't know what it's called, so I'm gonna have a look at that. I'm gonna go to the market because we're getting our Christmas cards, and probably a few bits and bobs and that sort of, and then go and do the jab shops last, and then get the tram on Fisherman's Walk, I think that's what it's called, yeah. So that is today's plan. I'm in blue today. I don't think I showed you my outfit yesterday. What an nincompoop. But the top was from Primark, it was Scooby-Doo top, and the trousers that I wore are from, I want to say, yours. So I'll show you my outfit before I head off and do some uploading and editing the TikTok vlog. Right, so this top I got actually from Blackpool, from like a I think it was like Red Cross possibly, and then the trousers that I'm wearing are just literally blue, and they are from Blackpool too. Right, I might get copyrighted, but I'm going to quickly speak. We are now in Fleetwood. We just nipped into a chab shop. Well, there are chab shops in here. We're not going to do the opposite thing I thought we were, but we got off at Fisherman's Walk. It's not a stop. We're going to do what we always do. We are in a chab shop called Brian House, which is certain. It's quite massive, this charity shop actually, which is great, so we can bring our scooters in so we don't have to park up outside and walk in. Obviously like some shops we do have to park up outside and walk in, which is fine because you know not every shop is going to be accessible. But yeah, oh, how cute is that sign? So that's it. How cute is that? But we also, before I went in here, nipped into, I think it was Primark, because we was dying of thirst and I got a new drink. I think it's in here actually, yeah. Like I said, it is Blue Burst, it's tropical. Got in my trolley actually. I got my mum a Rubicon drink. Alright, there's a books and stuff and I have a Kindle, so I don't read actual books. But yeah, I'm not going to go down this aisle. Yes, it's a bit hard to vlog like with one hand, but I'm doing my best. Halloween, let me show you the Halloween section, which is this here. All this is Halloween. We've got like masks, costumes, like what are these costumes are? Superheroes. We have a friend's hostess. Oh my god, stop. Can you see that? Has given me a scholar. It is a scene setter. It's massive. Like you put it on a wall in Gavin. It's on a wall on here. It's like 50p. Oh my god. I kind of like for indoor and outdoor use. Imagine putting it on outside our house and windows. How bad is that? We got some masks. Oh, I found some rigs. Oh god, I've got an actual Dolly Parton. Rolling keys. God, it is windy today, people. Look at that. Woohoo. So I'm just waiting outside the pharmacy because my mum is getting some loperamide because we ran out. To be fair, we didn't bring a lot with us, so like we just need to just buy them. We've done the charity shops now. I did buy when I was doing the White House thing. I did buy 2 Christmas tops, and I think my mum bought something as well. I don't know what she bought. Maybe she bought that pink top what she showed me. And then we went into, I can't quite remember what it was. I think it was Bernardo's, and my mum got a wig cut because the one that she's currently wearing, well, what she was wearing, the blue one, she's had for a long time and it don't fit her anymore. And then she's just been in Trinity Hospice. I don't think she got anything, you know, not to my knowledge. And now we are heading across to Peacock.
Which is fixing it, but 12. You just know
Peacock's because there's no other charity shops now on here. But yeah, it's really windy today. Even despite the nice weather, it's so super windy. Very windy day today. Well, the wind is like actually, because I don't know if we've still got like Storm and Ashley. I don't know if we've still got that because I think it came at the weekend, but I'm not sure if we've still got it or this is just generally just a windy day. Yeah, I'm gonna go in now, let you know if I've bought anything, and then I'm not sure because what time is it? Oh, it's 1:20, so we probably after here we might head to the chip shop for our dinner. And if my mum's eating or not, who knows what she's doing. She's eating it, she's not eating. So I'm currently in the market. Went into Peacocks. I didn't buy anything, but my mum did. She got some knickers. I think she just got some knickers, to be honest.
Rebecca sent a box standard card. She sent her 1 second. Or does she name on your card?
No, I put my name on.
I feel like she put my name on your card but not making an effort. You know, we're not thinking, oh, she's my friend, but she's really my friend.
And then we've just come into the market and we are at the Christmas card stand. Well, it's not just a Christmas card stand, it actually sells every other card. But this is it. With like birthdays. I'm going to move up because there's people wanting to look at the birthday cards. So I'll show you the Christmas section. So we have all of this. My mum's there. This is it. Got a few like Christmas gifts up there, like cups. Those cups are actually really cute, not gonna lie. But it sells everything you can imagine a card shop would sell, to be honest, like Card Factory, but cheaper basically. I have done all my Christmas cards, I've got them all. My mum, I think, is nearly finished with the Christmas cards. My mum takes a lot longer than me to look at the Christmas cards.
That's an autistic thing. You're good for one thing, your brain is saying, I am buying that card. And that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a certain card with a certain picture, and that's it. Because you've got the idea. And I'm looking at that and going, no idea what to get me in them.
We've got 2 Blackpool calendars as well.
Maybe I should get my dad a birthday card now, so I've got it. Have you?
Oh, I've got you a birthday card.
Yeah, have you got my dad one?
No.
Do you think I should or not?
Well, we can go into we're going to town every week, Rebecca, anyway.
Yeah. Sorry,
so I got my mum a birthday card as well. I was like, may as well get it done and dusted here. And the Blackpool calendars, I'm not sure how much they are. They are somewhere advertised. Let me have a go backwards, but not running to these people because that would not be good. It is free. Generally free. Does it say a price? Don't know. I wouldn't say it'd be loads of money. We've got 2, one for us and one for my nan and auntie. We actually used to get one for my great nana as well, but she's not here anymore. If you're new to my channel, my great nana passed away in 2018. So yeah, still grieving, to be honest, not gonna lie. And a fun fact today, as I'm filming this, 12 weeks ago I got broken up with by my ex. So yay me! I'm a single little Pringle, which yeah, I am generally a lot happier. Still constantly crying, to be honest. Grief, even though you think grief is for just people that have passed away or pets that have passed away, anyone that's passed away, but to be honest, it's like I'm grieving the 4 years that I had with him, and like all the memories we made and stuff, and especially because we're in Fleetwood, like he came to Blackpool like one of the days with Becca actually, and yeah, we went around and it just brings back some memories, and it's just a bit like, I don't know, sad I guess, and I'm just constantly still thinking about it. So yeah, we're gonna go into the next little area now. I think there's like, this is where the pet store is. We don't get a lot for the guinea pigs just because they're so fussy, but we can get the birds and stuff because they love to get like the little fruit sticks, and I think they're called like fruit bells type thing. I think it's where the sweet stall is as well. So yeah, Right, I am going to head to the next little section, and I think we're going to get some sweets and some stuff for the birdies. Oh, I'm just going to scooter in because I turned it on. But we're going that way! Okay. Back again with my windy air, but it is nearly 3 o'clock, it's 2:54. I'm just outside the Fleetwood Museum bookshop. Let me just show you. Okay. It's my mum's favourite place in the world. I always have to wait for a while because like it is massive in there, and they have them like in alphabetical order, like the author. And my mum spends the entire day in here. She always does every single time I go on holiday. So in the museum, we got the Christmas cards and calendars, and then we got some sweets. The pet store was not there, and my mum got a handbag. It's like a really bright, colourful handbag. You can't miss it whatsoever. And then we're gonna go down there and go to the I guess it's a cafe, I won't say it's a restaurant, a cafe called the Ferry, for our dinner. I'm excited because I'm hungry. I'm not sure what I'm going to have yet until I get there. And then we're going to have a look in the arcade. I'm pretty certain it's just called Fleetwood Arcade. Oh, it's called Fleetwood something, I can't particularly see from here, but it just says Fleetwood something.
I can't see what it says.
So yeah, I'm near the museum actually. I think we've been in that museum once before.
Yeah.
It was alright, and then just a sign here. Right, in the cafe now, Ferry Cafe. I have a Diet Coke waiting for the meal. No, I don't think so. I am getting chicken bites and chips. What are you having?
I'm having corned beef stew with chips.
And they said, do you want a small, regular, large? I'm like, what?
$6.95.
So I went for regular. No, I went in mid.
All homemade. Oh no, I'm 33.
No, we're not. It's a weird thing, basically, you've got to give them a spoon with your table number, and they're walking about and you're going, woo! Like bingo. Yeah, or auction.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. No, I'm sticking at 3. Pass this menu so I can show these people it. Not too shabby the prices according to my mum. Right. We have breakfast. Fish. Toasted paninis and sandwiches, hot drinks. We have hot winter, we've had that at the Harbour Lights amusements. Cold drinks, and then if I can open this up, chips, side orders, Irish food. Jesus, this is awesome. Do you want just a ball of cheese? It says side orders, cheese.
Come on, I ain't for a ball of cheese, but
this is what I'm having. Chicken bites, get 6 for $4.95. I was potentially having a burger, but I don't know. We have the Monday. And then we have the whole pizza menu, which is toys. I like the chicken and mushroom and stick it. Oh, I don't like pudding. Jacket potatoes. They have a gluten free. They do gluten free. Ah. Yeah. For old goats, Richard.
You're back.
I've shown you them. And then desserts. Ice creams. They have like a special another section. I'll show you that in a second. Of ice creams, a little cute little thing. Before I show you where the ice cream bit is, look, we found an olden day tram. How cute! It actually says promenade on it. I don't know if you'll be able to see it if I zoom in. Just about. One of the heritage trams, and the driver and the conductors sat in here actually, so I'm going to be there for a while, which is really nice to look at. And over here, that is where you get your ice creams and lollies and stuff. Obviously I can't really show you the menu because I can't see it from here. And we have a little counter there that has like ice creams, and you can have slushes as well. Then here is the counter of the drinks. I've had a chocolate milkshake here, it's really nice. I might have a Kit Kat as well, and they've got like some custard which my mum likes. And yeah, and then there's actually, you can do like takeout, which is where those people are just in that corner. You can go in and place an order for a takeaway, which I think is great. We are now on the train and just got on. So we had some pictures took on the beach, and that we always do. And then we just went to the tram stop. We didn't wait, to be honest, too long for the tram, to be honest. So yeah, we're gonna go and head in and go and do some packing. It's 5:10, so I think we'll be in Bpool for just after 5:30. And then we're going to go in, do some packing, and then we are going back out. But we're going to have a go like next. Probably play some Animal Crossing and head back out. And I think my mum said she wanted to go to Happy Days for
press the stop button when you wish to exit the train.
So we're going to go that way.
Hello everybody, so it's my picture shirt, it's all, it's wonderful. I believe this is the reason. It's like, you know, when you have one of them nightmares where you actually remember most of it in the morning. I had a nightmare last night, and then this morning I just couldn't get away. I felt awful. Because I've been abroad, they texted me about her, without going on the attack. I didn't know she was still put to stay. But I mean, the breakfast is alright, the afternoon. Because I believe my stomach playing up, felt sick and dizzy. Yeah, I've made efforts, got dressed, got ready, got my bag ready, and I've got to good. Anyways, as the day has worn on, it has lifted this mysterious condition what I found. So basically I just think I just could come round. You know where it's at. People out there will come round. It took you a while just to come round. No explanation on that. So explanation on feeling what's happening to you. It's just I'll come round. It's ritual. So I did. And I've been in and out of charity shops, and I've got a medical assistant raincoat, orange. I've got something else as well, I can't remember what I've done, but some peacocks. So I can't remember. No, yeah.
Knickers.
Oh! Knickers to Rebecca. Knickers. Alright, Knickers and that bit. And some boxer shorts for Richard. That's it, I remember now. Now she reminded me. Then we said, are we hungry? Well, we went to that second, so we said, let's go, market. And do that, and that was tea, dinner. And that we don't want to sit down. You have to,
You wish to exit the train.
we got have any reservations, you wander in there. So we went to the market, we got the street, we got the Christmas cards, marvellous. I guess when we got home it'd be a double check on if we've got everybody. I mean, I went through hundreds of times, not as if I've got many people to answer, because I've never been to actor. But anyway, you know, I saw some cars. Then we wandered down at the small, put it back, slightly colourful. I was back, and I got a Primark back with me again. Absolutely full.
Hold tight, please.
That shop went there, but still slow. We were a bit good, miffed about that because we
Press the stop button when you wish to exit the train.
See that somebody's looking about, you know. And they'll just probably not ignore us when we get home. What miff of. Last time when we came home with Unipeace comes in and I'm expecting Reiki and they just sat and they didn't what's the stuff here that you miseries. So when I came down next day I said, are you up and out yet? Let's come out and I did a cool stroke and then they're like, wow, yeah, I know you're too. I remember. So did get out. I got back. I don't go books market with bookshop and out. We drove all the way to the ferry, yeah, and I did a dinner come tea, what dinner is meal. I had beef stew and chips, right, nice, fully, and meat to tops. Back of chicken nuggets and chicken nuggets were proper chicken. You know what I mean?
When you wish to exit the train.
And back of chicken, and I mean, pig. Anyway, but we popped it because next door, the little arcade's been to over. So we just went in front of the ones that you know, Martin to change the £10 actually, for PowerPoint thing. I got 314 tickets. She went back up for 314 tickets. So she's impressed. I did photos, took. Now we're on the tram, coming back going to Bpool. So I got the seat when I get off.
We are
just when the cup of tea when I go away.
I'm not sure what this is called. Fizzy Ducks. Because we got off the tram at Talbot Square. We went on to North Pier to take some photos. It was like, why not just get off the tram and have a peruse down the prom, even though it's freezing cold outside, but you know, it's fine. So we're in this little gift shop. We was like, why not go in? Because we're not being in here yet.
Well, no. I'm now not looking.
And we're looking at the chocolate section
and looking with a mind up on what I'm going to have.
Yeah.
When we could take.
I want everyone.
I want some.
I get milk bar possibly or a flake. Sounds both probably. So
that'll do. We've got a tea, ain't it?
Yeah.
Because we were having some later.
This is what we're at the sweetie section. We've got us drinks up there, Mum.
Oh, okay.
We've got all these sweets. I am cold. Tell you that for summer. But we're back in the room. I'm just emptying my bag to then swap into my night bag. We are going to chill for a little bit. and then head out because we need to get some food. So I don't know where we're going for that. My mum's probably forgotten that we have to go out for food, because the only things we have in our hotel room is like chocolate bars, and that's not going to be enough for it. So went into my mum's and play Animal Crossing. So I may as well get all the stuff ready. I'm gonna bring a bag down that's got some shopping in. What we got, possibly Tuesday, I'm pretty certain. I remember in Poundland at Cleveland. And then yeah, decide what we're doing first tea. No idea what we're doing first tea, to be honest. My mum says she wants to go to Happy Days, but I mean it's nearly 7 o'clock as it is, so I'm gonna talk to my mum about what we're doing for tea, if you're having any tea, that's if, and head out. I was going to put like my phone on charge and my watch. I could put the watch on charge. I don't want to put the phone on charge because, well, I guess I'm playing Animal Crossing. I could, let me come back up here though to get my phone and my watch. That's fine, I'll do that. Because I want to just get like a little bit of a charge, you know, I don't have to go mad and you know, it's beyond 100%, you know, I'm not bothered as long as it's got a little bit more charge, and that's all good for me. Right, is that charging? We are charging. Bob that. Oops. Someone's ringing me. What?
Tyler, can you bring me a cup down there? I took a cup to yours. I left it up there.
Alright, well don't forget we need to go for tea.
Hello.
Hello. All on a night, late December 1963. I think it's 63. Do you know what? Just make a number up. Back in the room. Let's just say I've had a little bit of an eventful night, and I couldn't predict it, and I couldn't avoid it neither. So grab a cup of tea and whatever drink and a little snack and strap in. I'm not going to try and waffle on for too long, but I'll go into detail, possibly shorten it. I'll do my best. Right, so I just got in. Got in nearly 11 PM actually. It's 10:50. Okay, so perfect night. You know, I came out of here, we were like, what we're gonna do for, you know, tea. We did go try Happy Days, but it was closed. Like not the arcade, but the cafe. And then it was like, we'll just have to go to McDonald's. Went to McDonald's. We're like, we'll spend the rest of the night in Coal Island. We thought it shut at 10, but sometimes it's 10. That's half 10. We don't know until, you know, the workers come on about, you've got 5 minutes left, or we're closing now, kind of thing. But it's normally around between 10 and half 10, depending on the day, I think. So me and my mum do some bits and bobs in arcade. My mum's just coming up, so if she comes up. Went into the arcade. Me and my mum do different jobs, and we go on different games because you know don't always have to go on the same games.
Who's this black bag?
My mum went to go on like a 2p machine, and I always go on the Pac-Man bingo game. It's just one of them things.
What have done with that black bag?
I told you it's not there.
What is it gone?
Pac-Man bingo or Singy bingo, one of them bingo type things.
You're not them for them.
And
Are they in your drawers?
no,
Is that okay for you? It's a black bag. What's friends on?
looking for a bag. So there was something. I went on the bingo, and before I went on the bingo, I kind of like drove around in my mobility scooter. And I saw this woman. Now I can't put an age on her. She wasn't young, she wasn't old. No idea how the fudge old she was. And I kind of was like, knew she was up to no good, because I could just sense it. Sometimes you can just sense when people are just up to no good. They don't have to do anything, they just, you know, lurk about. And this woman was lurking about, and I kind of knew she was up to something because she was and she was lurking about, and she like went to like 2p machine, and she kind of like stood over it, and she was shaking it a bit to try and get some 2p's out, which, to be honest, there's quite a lot of people who do that, like children or just people, just because they were like, see if they can get some more 2p's kind of thing. It's no big deal as such. And she did that, and I kind of like clocked her as I drove to go to the bingo game. And I clocked her, but like I always didn't stare. I kind of like did like a side glance type thing, and she caught that I was watching her, per se. And then I went and played my little bingo game, and I was on like an end, so there's like basically an entire row of bingo, and I was here, and there was like bingo basically games, not like actual bingos and dabbing bingo. And she like just waltzing up and down around my area in like, I guess, my peripheral vision. I had a dictionary tonight. And then she kind of like wandered off, and from my view, I could see right down to the exit at the bottom near the toilets, and I kind of like clocked her. She was talking to somebody, no clue who she was talking to, at the exit, and she came back up this side, so I'm sat here. She came up this side, and I had my bag on the bingo like this, and the strap was like this in my hand, so it was twisted and you couldn't yank it, because if you went like that, I would basically come with it, and it wouldn't go, because I was literally gripping onto it, because I moved it from my mobility scooter to that, because I was like, maybe I can like do a vlog clip kind of thing. I'm playing away on my game, and there was a woman on the one next to me. She obviously weren't like watching me or anything. She like smiled now and again kind of thing. And the woman who was lurking about literally just came right up to me. She had her hood up. Came right up to me. Like that. And so she went like that, obviously she couldn't receive the bag because I had it tight round my waist. She legged it. And then I just sat there, stunned, to be honest. Obviously shock, and then I just broke down in tears. But my mum was like further away from me on a 2p machine, and her back was to me, and I kind of like stopped in my tracks. The game like had finished. Well, it finished because I ran out of time, and then I kind of just like sat there like what do I do now? And obviously I need to tell my mum, and I'm going I'm like, Mum, I got crying my eyes out, Mum. And she turned around and like dead quick. And then the woman was all like, why are you like, you know, she kind of just like glanced at me and she saw me crying. And she just went, well, what just happened? And I told her, but like I was crying, telling her, so it was a bit like muffled. And she's like, I'm gonna get somebody, hang on a minute. And she clocked to the security guard man. They've got a few security guards in Coral Island, well, in every amusement, every place basically in Blackpool. And she clocked to the security guard and she was like, over here. My mum came up and she was like, what's wrong, what's wrong? I cried in my mum's arms. She was stood up hugging me and I was sat down. And then she was like, what's happened? And then I told her. Security man came over and he was like, whoa, what's happened? I tried to explain, but I was crying. And then I kind of like calmed down and I was like in shock, crying, shaking, awful. And thankfully nothing has been stolen from my bag because, like I said, it was tight wrapped around my wrist. If it would have been in my mobility scooter like it was before I decided to change, like hold on to it, that would have been gone. And my phone, my purse with my debit card, my lipstick, which is when you could buy a new lipstick. But you can't really replace the phone and your debit card, that takes a little bit longer. And obviously the keys to this room. And obviously I was in shock and the security guard came over and he was like, do you need an ambulance? Are you okay? Are you hurt? Because no, she didn't hurt me. Explained what happened once I tried to calm down a little bit. And he was like, do you need anything? Do you want any water? And I went, yes please. Don't know, like, yeah. I guess it's just like one of them things where you're just like, just gonna be like, yes, just offer me some water. To be fair, I was thirsty, so yeah, I'm not too bothered about a glass of water. And I don't know what, like, why people offer water when, like, if something's happened, like, you know, you're in a state of shock, or you might have been hurt, or whatever, you've been poorly or whatever, and like they're like, the first thing is like, do you want any water? To be fair, the first thing he said was, do you want an ambulance? And I'm like, no, I'm not hurt, I'm not wasting NHS flipping ambulance people coming out to Coral Island from them to check me out and be like, yeah, you just need shock love kind of thing. So I was like, obviously if I was hurt then yes, alright, feel free to call an ambulance, but I wasn't hurt, I wasn't touched. It just shook me up. And then he had told me, like, asked what she was wearing. The only thing I could describe was she was wearing like this, like a puffer jacket type green coat. I couldn't see anything else, and she had black like trousers. I couldn't like know anything else because I was like in a state of shock. So the security man obviously kept asking if I was okay. Got me a cup of water. And he took my details, my name and my phone number. He says he's going to look at the CCTV camera. He says that he might not be able to like get back to me until next week, which is fine because I'll be home, but it don't really particularly matter. I don't need to be in Blackpool for it, to be honest. And he says what they'll do is they'll look at the CCTV footage and see if they can identify her, and obviously if they can identify her, is Coral Island as a team, management, or him as per se as a security guard is going to ban that woman for life. She will never be able to enter Coral Island, which, to be honest, I don't feel sad about, because, you know, she's a thief and clearly that's just her nature, a thief, that's her job, well, being a thief. But yeah, shook me up quite a lot. I still am quite shaky, not gonna lie, and to be honest, I did finish my money off on my Pac-Man game because I was like, do you know what, I'm not gonna let that spoil my night. Obviously if I was hurt or a lot worse off, then yes, I would immediately go into the hotel, or obviously an ambulance would be called. But yeah, I'm okay, just a little bit shook up. And the lovely woman, she was so kind, it's unbelievable, just was constantly asking if I was okay. And she was with, I'm gathering, I don't know, her mum or her friend, somebody, sister. And she kept asking if I was okay. and then she like kind of like went off on some games and stuff, kept coming back and asking for okay. She was lovely. I obviously didn't get her name because I don't need to know her name, but yeah, she was so lovely. It was so kind. And Coral Island, if you are happen to be watching this, which you probably won't be, but if you, it's more like a chance that you are watching this, thank you so much. Your team is incredible. Security guard, absolutely love you. Not physically love you. Thank you so much for looking after me. Really appreciate it. And because my mum explained that I'm autistic, it kind of like, obviously a bit more understanding, even if they were understanding anywho, even if I'm not autistic, but like, because I got in such a state kind of thing, my mum explained that I was autistic. And yeah, that's my night. Anywho, I need to get ready for bed because it is 11:02 and we have a big day tomorrow because we are going home tomorrow, which I'm not looking forward to, not gonna lie. I don't like travelling. I'm looking forward to being at home with my girlies. And yeah, Richard actually FaceTimed us earlier, well, Facebook Messenger, and we had the little evening on. I got like a photo on my phone, which I'm just gonna look at and be like a babies. But yeah, I'm safe and sound. Obviously, I haven't told any other family members, like Richard. I haven't told my nan and auntie because, you know, they've gone to bed. You know, don't need to tell them until tomorrow. I'll tell probably Nana tomorrow because, like, every day I text my nan asking how, you know, my nan and auntie are and stuff because, you know, I care. They're my nan and auntie, and I just like to chat now and again. But yeah, tomorrow is a big day. Last day here in Blackpool. Can't believe I'm going home. Like, flaming out, it goes so fast. It's crazy how fast, like, you know, time goes. It's just mental how fast the holiday goes. Like, even if we were just like here for like, you know, on a day trip, it goes so fast. Even on a day trip, a week goes so fast. It's crazy. But it won't be the last time we'll be here this year. Just gonna really throw that out there. You'll see why very soon. So yeah, I'm excited about that. And it's going to be a little bit different because we've got 2 extra family members with us. That's all I'm going to say. But yeah, I'm going to get ready for bed now. I don't know if I'm going to get an early night, probably not, because I need to do this importing. I think I'm just going to try and like wind down as well, just like relax kind of thing. So I'm gonna like TikTok will make me happy. That's all I do is literally is on TikTok. I don't do anything else on my phone apart from TikTok. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready for bed, take my makeup off, and yeah. But obviously I just thought that, you know, because I know it's not important to let you guys know, but I wanted to tell you just in case like the atmosphere changed. Okay, so it's 11:50 and I am going to import this footage and then head. I don't know if I'm going to go to sleep straight away, probably not, but going to bed and try and calm my body down a little bit because I'm still a little bit basically. But yeah, got in bed, had a little, like, just a little chat with my mum whilst I had like some Milky Bar buttons. Mum had a lemon muffin and I just chatted. And I did some tidying up of the bedroom because some of the stuff are going in the case and the case is in my mum's room because we only brought one case with us. All I have to really do is just pack all my like gadgets away and then we'll be sorted. But yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. If you guys enjoyed this video, it's a thumbs up for me, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, if you're not subscribed, and notification bell. See you guys tomorrow morning.